I think we have an arrangement. I'll make the videos and you'll learn the words. Is that correct? In English, when we say arrangement, do you know what arrangement can mean? Or do you know the meaning of arrangement in this situation when two people talk together? We have an arrangement. You should do something because of our arrangement, or you shouldn't do something because of our arrangement. If you know the meaning of arrangement in this case, can you stop the video for a second and write the meaning in the comment section? But if you don't worry, I'll tell you in a few seconds. In English, we say arrangement. We have an arrangement. Simply means we have an agreement. An agreement. Can we say it together? Arrangement. Arrangement.